Hi, welcome to the Montagnard Channel. I'm Lap Siu. It's so great to have you here. I am originally from the Central Highlands of Vietnam, and I've been studying the Montagnard, our history, traditions, and languages. For almost 20 years, I have been teaching anthropology courses at a university and different colleges in the United States. I've also been doing research on the Montagnards with a big focus on the Jarai language, which is one of the many languages spoken by the Montagnard people. I've always been passionate about preserving our culture and also sharing our traditions with other people. I started this channel to introduce more people to the Montagnard. As you may know, we have a rich history and vibrant culture that I think people should know about. Through videos, interviews, and even documentaries, I want to show you who we are, whether it's in Southeast Asia or the United States, or anywhere else in the world. My goal is to keep our traditions alive and share them with anyone curious about learning. On this channel, you will find videos about everything from our languages like Jarai to our music, dances, food, and other cultural traditions. I will also share stories about the Montagnards living around the world, and also the work that we do to preserve our culture. Whether you're Montagnard or love learning about new cultures or just stumble across this channel, there is something here for you. So if you're interested in learning something about the Montagnard people and our culture, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss anything. I would also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below to let me know what you think, or if there's something you would like me to talk about in a future video. Thanks for visiting this channel today. I'm so excited to take this journey into the Montagnard heritage with you. See you in the next video.